knock it off. You don't kick my Diesel!
Who are you? You the good boy?
It's a cute smile. Paul, there's your smile.
You take 6 feet back. Back up. Back up.
Can you get any closer? Oh, shit.
Makes the big palm tree. It's gonna be awesome. Can't wait. Just don't even hear the house, right?
Oh, wow. Where's that cheesy smile at? Hi, baby.
Please go away. Let me sleep for the love of God!
Ow! How nasty of you! Oakley, come here. Come here.
That's a cute smile. Paul, there's your smile.
What are you doing over here? What?
Okay, let him go. Let him go, let him go, let him stop. What is it?
What are you doing?
Dixie, come here! Hey! Dixie!
Are you not happy anymore?
Do you realize that the hair we collected from you over 9 months is what made up this part of this baby?
Maya, can you please get Daisy's head out of your mouth? Stay.
Give me a kiss. That was a fake kiss.
When your Cane Corso thinks he's the same size as your
He
Yorkie.
literally hates you. Look how big it is.
Move! That's not what I meant at all.
Why do you have my cell phone? Drop it. Drop it.
Because he didn't want to be a hot dog.
Okay.
Oh my god, Jasper.
When I find myself in times of trouble.
so much fun in the rain.
Bailey, no!
Off the roof.
Stop!
Bailey, don't you?
Riley, look at me.
Name is John C.
Who went into dirt and rolled around? I thought so.
Me.
Oh.
What is your...
Sat in your lap, bro.
Gentle.
The kitchen.
Get your ass!
Get your hands up, or he gets, and he shall be lifted. The everlasting doors.
Oh my gosh, you okay? Are you?
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, let me see your smile. Yeah. A pretty smile.
Leave it.
You're adopted. It's true. I adopted you. I'm sorry that the truth has to be revealed this way.
It's okay, don't cry. What are you doing?
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I got it on film.